Hi everyone! In my previous videos, a lot of you told me that free AI coding platforms run out of tokens after building just one single project, and you are totally right. But what if I told you there is a platform where one free account is enough to build up to 50 complete projects? Yes, you heard that correctly. Welcome to ClickUp AI. Today, we will see how to get free access to top AI models like Claude and Gemini to build working web tools without any coding. Let's get started. First, go to your browser and search for ClickUp. Click the first link. If you're using it for the first time, you need to create your account by clicking the Sign Up button. Now, let's take a close look at this email pop-up step. When you enter your email address, you will notice an important message below the input box. It mentions that signing up with a work email makes it much easier for coworkers to join your workspace. This is a massive advantage if you use a custom domain, because it allows your team members to auto-join your setup instantly based on a matching domain name, keeping your collaboration incredibly smooth. If you do not have a work domain, you can simply use your regular Google account to continue. Next, the platform will ask how you want to use it, and I'm selecting personal use. Finally, let's name our workspace. I'm going to type in my official platform name, SoftwareHope Workspace, to keep the branding professional. Once your dashboard is ready, we can skip the standard project layouts and head straight over to the AI features. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left sidebar. Click on the AI section to open ClickUp Brain 2. The best part here is that you get access to the latest intelligent models, including Claude and Gemini, all without paying for a subscription. Instead of complicated token limits, ClickUp AI gives you credits. Every new free account gets 50 free AI credits. Whether you ask a simple question or build a complete real-world project, it will still only take 1 credit. Just remember, a detailed prompt will always give you the best output. Let's test this live. I will type a prompt. Create a tool for image compression with all features for quality control and image size. I will select the Claude model and press Send. As you can see on the screen, the AI starts thinking and working on the logic. Within a few seconds, it generates a complete image compressor tool for us. The best part is that everything runs client-side inside your browser, so your data and images stay completely private. Now let's test the tool. I will open it in a new tab. The user interface looks incredibly clean and professional. You can change image formats to JPEG, PNG, or WebP and easily adjust the quality. I'm uploading 2 images that are about 1.8 megabytes each. I'll set the quality to 46% and click Compress All. Wow, look at that! Successfully reduced the file size by almost 95%. You can download the images one by one or click Download All to get them instantly in a zip file. The downloaded files work perfectly. If the first output is not exactly what you want, don't worry. You can easily modify the tool by chatting with the AI. Just ask it to add features, fix bugs, or change the layout, and it will update the code instantly. Now, looking at the pricing, ClickUp currently offers a free forever plan, which gives you free AI credits to test out. If you need more storage or advanced business features, they have paid plans starting from $7 per member per month. But for most creators and personal use, the free plan with multiple accounts is more than enough to get your job done. So, that's how you can use ClickUp AI to build helpful web tools instantly in just 1 credit. Remember, once your 50 credits expire, you can just log in with a new free account to keep building. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy coding!